Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready for a new story? Let's go. This story will help you learn real English for restaurant situations. If you want to understand easy phrases like a table for one, can I see the menu? I would like. Follow Ella as she goes to a restaurant for the first time. You will learn English naturally through her simple, relaxing experience. Ella wants to try something new today. She has been studying, cooking, and staying home a lot, so she decides to go to a restaurant near her apartment. It is the first time she is eating out alone, and she feels a little nervous but also excited. The restaurant is small and warm. Soft music is playing and the lights are gentle. Ella opens the door and looks around. A friendly waiter walks toward her with a smile. "Hello," he says. "Welcome." "How many people?" Ella answers, "Just one." "A table for one, please." The waiter nods and says, "Of course." "This way." He shows Ella a small table next to the window. Ella sits down and places her bag on the chair. The waiter hands her the menu and says, "I will be back in a few minutes." Ella opens the menu slowly. There are many choices: soup, salads, pasta, chicken, and desserts. She reads every page carefully because she wants to order something simple. After a moment, she decides she wants a warm meal. The waiter comes back and says, "Are you ready to order?" Ella smiles and answers, "Yes. Can I have the tomato soup and grilled chicken, please? Would you like something to drink?" He asks. "Just water, thank you," Ella says. The waiter writes everything down and leaves. Ella looks around the restaurant. A couple is laughing at another table. A family is talking softly near the door. The place feels comfortable and safe. After a short time, the waiter brings the soup. The smell is warm and delicious. Ella takes a spoonful and smiles. The soup tastes fresh and rich. When she finishes the soup, the waiter brings her grilled chicken. It looks simple but very tasty. Ella eats slowly, enjoying every bite. She thinks, maybe eating alone is not scary. It actually feels nice. When she is done, the waiter comes back and asks, "Everything okay?" "Yes," Ella says. "It was very good." The waiter gives her the bill. Ella pays and says, "Thank you." "Have a nice day." "You too," the waiter replies. Ella walks out of the restaurant feeling happy. She tried something new, spoke English with confidence, and enjoyed a quiet meal by herself. As she walks home, she thinks, new experiences make me stronger. I want to do this again someday. Thank you for listening to this story. Continue learn English with Ella's stories and improve your English step by step with simple real-life moments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.